Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today, we're gonna head up over to Palm Springs and to do something pretty cool up in the mountains. So let's head on over. Waiting for the tram to head up. Super cold out here right now. There's snow flurries. I love it. My hands are freezing, so we're gonna go inside for a little bit while we wait for our turn to go into the restaurant. We're waiting to go into the restaurant here. They have, I believe, 3 places where you can get food. One down where the base of the mountain. And then they have a cafeteria here as well as a bar at the top and a slightly expensive more restaurant which we're going to called Peaks Restaurant. Lunch was pretty good, and now we're gonna see what we can explore around here. We'll have to come back during the spring or summer to actually travel the trails here, because there's a few that I've seen. And I do want to check it out. Ooh, there's a bit of a breeze. Snowy. Snow flurries. All right, I think I can head back up. Snow is starting to fall pretty hard right now, but I love it. And plus my hands are freezing. Let's go. Alright, we just left the tramway. It was pretty nice up there. A little snowstorm was rolling in right at the end there when I went down the wilderness area, so hurried back up. Hands are freezing, but doing good. But overall, it's a lovely experience. It's a nice little day out for a couple of hours if you want to bring the family, and definitely recommend it. And the views are really amazing over there. You can see a nice panorama of the Coachella Valley. That's pretty awesome. Alright friends, there you have it, our trip to the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. We got lucky with the weather in the first half. There was a storm coming in, as you saw later. I wish I would have stayed longer, but of course, safety first. It is definitely one of those places you have to check out. Now, Peak's restaurant is a bit on the pricey side. They do have a little cafeteria area, as well as a bar for those who want a little bit more of an alcoholic beverage. You do have picnic tables in the wilderness area, so you can also bring your own snacks as well to enjoy while you're there. We'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining me on this little day trip to the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. I hope you had a good time. I know I did. If you do like this video and want to see more just like it, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more videos just like this to come. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.